What up, guys? I just discovered this platform where we can earn some USDT every single day, and I want to share with you guys and show you step-by-step guides on how you can get started and how you can use the platform to earn. So guys, this video is strictly educational, not a financial advice. If you want to hop on this, make sure you do your own thorough research, and if you're interested, take your time to watch this video to the end so that you don't get confused or make errors in any other part of this platform. So guys, I'll be showing you step-by-step guide how you get started and everything in this video. So if you're interested, watch this video to the end. All right. Guys, so in order for you to get started on this platform, you definitely need to use the link in the description of this video, and you are going to be creating your account. So go down there, there's a link there, click on it. It's going to bring you to this page that you're looking right here right now. So all you need to do once you are on this page is just for you to put in your email or create a password, create a security password. It could be the same password. So you're going to see my invitation code over here. So all you need to do after doing all this is just to click on register, and your account will be ready for you to start earning. Now let me quickly log into my account and I'll be showing you how things are done with this platform. Alright guys, so once you log into your account, you are going to see this interface you can see right here. So you can also take your time to read it so that you will understand whatever you are getting yourself involved in. Take your time to read the announcement over here, and you can also easily join their Telegram channel by just clicking over here. Oh yes, this is it. Sorry, you click over here, you're going to join their Telegram channel. So once you join the Telegram channel, you can also if you have any issue with the platform, you can ask them there. They will solve the problem for you. All right, so now quickly, in order for you to start earning on this platform, I won't lie to you, I'm not going to sugarcoat anything. There's nothing free over here. You will have to make deposit. Now like I said earlier on, this is not a financial advice. If you want to join and you want to make deposit, please make sure you are putting in what you can afford to lose, or make sure you do your own thorough research before you go in to the platform and start depositing some funds. All right, so now in order for you to make deposit, you can let's just click on recharge over here. You can see where it is written recharge over here. Just click on recharge, and you are going to go over here and copy the wallet address you can see here. So once you copy the wallet address, make sure you are sending, this is it, click here. So you copy the wallet address and you are going to be sending USDT TRC20. You can see it over here. Make sure whatever you're sending here is in USDT TRC20. So do not make mistake of sending something else. The minimum to deposit here is 15 USDT. So once you finish making the deposit, all you need to do is to come back here and click on recharge in order for you to show on your balance. So after clicking on the recharge completed, you're going to see it on your dashboard, and to see it, you just have to click on me. Click on me, you are going to see your money over here. All right, you can see I have a total revenue of $3.85 because I've been using the platform. I have been trying it for like 3 days now, trying to see how it works and how it functions. I've actually cashed out the 3.85 cents you can see here. I've actually withdrawn them all, but okay, I'm still going to show you how to use the platform anyway. So there are 3 ways you can earn with this platform daily. So the first one is going to be by after you finish the recharge, you have to click on where it is written quantify, which is over here, down here. Now you click on quantify. Now once you get here, the next thing you should do is the first thing, as for me, I've done it, so I'll just tell you what you should do. You first click on your VIP because you've already made the deposit of 15 USDT. You click on VIP 1. Once you click on it, it's going to upgrade your system for you, and you are going to be having access to VIP 1. Then the next thing you should be doing here is to click on this Bitcoin button. So that is where you are going to be earning. So you just tap on the Bitcoin button. It's going to start quantify, and you're just going to wait for like few seconds. Then it's going to, all right, you can see I already have it on my balance. $1.32 is already here on my balance. So now this is what I earned today. Sometimes you might get $1.20, $1. It varies anyway, it's not fixed, but it's always minimum from $1. All right, so that is it. I just got this right now. Now I want to show you guys the second way you can also make money with this platform. Before I'll show you how you can withdraw your funds into your wallet. Okay, the second way you can earn with this platform is by clicking on invest. You can see invest in the middle here. Click on it, it's going to bring you to this page. Now once you come here, this place, you can take your time and check it out to look for the one that you can do, the one that you are capable of investing in. So the first one is the lowest anyway. It's the lowest amount here. You start with 30 USDT, while the second one goes with 100, the third one goes with 300, and so on. You have to take your time to check them out and to be sure of what you're doing. All right, so in order for you to use this place, all you need to do here is to make deposit of, or let's say we are putting deposit of 30 USDT. You are going to make deposit of 30 USDT and you are going to be earning 5% of your amount every single day. And this is going to be the cycle is for 60 days. This is going to be valid for 60 days. So your investment here is valid for just 60 days, and you are going to be earning 5% of whatever you've deposited there. So the minimum is 30 USDT, but you can go higher if you wish to. You know, the higher your funds, the higher your return of investment. So that is how it works. Anyway, that's how you can earn that's the second method you can use in earning on this platform. Now the third method I want to show you is something I always tell you guys regularly, is by using your referral link. Now if you know how to refer, you definitely make enough dough with this platform. You will definitely cash out with enough funds with this platform. So just come over here, click on your referral link over here and share with your friends, or you can even use the code if you wish, but it's good you use the link, because once you click the link and share, it goes with your code automatically. All right, so that is just the simple thing. Share your referral link in order for you to earn more from the platform. Now in order for you to cash out from here, all you need to do is to click on withdraw. Now we're going to be cashing out our $1.32 that we just $1.32 that we just earned right here, right now. Now you are just going to go to your wallet, any wallet you always use to receive payment. You go over there and you copy your USDT TRC20. You copy it and bring it over here. Now you can see I've already pasted mine, because I told you earlier on I've been using the platform for the past like 3 days or 3 or 4 days, but I missed some days anyway. So I've been using it and it's working for me. So you just come over here, you paste the wallet address, and you are just going to write the amount over here. Then you put in your security password that you created when you were signing up. You put it here and then click on confirm. So I'm going to do that for you guys to see right here, right now. I've already pasted my wallet address. So the thing is, once you paste the wallet address once, it's going to stay there forever, you know, for as long as you're on the platform. For as long as the platform lasts, your wallet address is going to be there. All right, so now I'm going to put in my password. I'm going to pause this. All right, so here we are. The next thing you should do here is to click on confirm. Good. Now you can see I just wiped out everything I earned here into my own wallet. So I'm going to be checking my wallet, and I will show you guys right now, right here in this video, so that you see it for yourself that it's really paying. So let's go to my wallet and I'll be showing you the payment received. Put it in my wallet right now. So it didn't even take up to 5 minutes, not even up to 3 minutes or 2 minutes. I got it instantly in my wallet. So I just decided to show you guys. So it's as simple as that. That is just the way you can earn with this platform. So guys, this is it. It is working. I've tested it and I just showed you guys a live withdrawal in this video. So if you want to hop on this, please, the link is in the description. But before you do that, do your own research and make sure you are depositing only what you can afford to lose. Please and please, this video is strictly educational, not a financial advice. So guys, if you like what I showed you in this video, please give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to smash the subscribe button and click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload another brand new update. I see you guys again in my next video. Bye.